Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. We will start an interesting Olympiad problem with the exponential equation. 16 power 4 power m equals 4 power 16 power m. We have to find the value of m. We will do all the calculation step by step. So first of all, we will take log on both sides of the equation. We will write this as log 16 power 4 power m equals log 4 power 16 power m. Now the formula of log, that log of a power b always equals to b times log of a. So it will becomes 4 power m log of 16 equals 16 power m log of 4. So we will divide both sides by log 16, that is log 16 and log 16. Log 16 cancel with log 16. We left with 4 power m equals 16 power m times log of 4 by log of 16. Now in the next step, we will divide both sides of our equation by 16 power m so that we get the m on the same side. 16 power m and 16 power m. 16 power m cancel with 16 power m. We left with 4 power m over 16 power m equals log of 4 by log of 16. We can write this as 4 by 16 whole power m, and this log of 4 can be written as log of 2 square, and this 16 can be written as 4 square. And this can be written as log of a power b is b times log of a 2 times log of 4. 2 cancel with, so we left with 4 by 16 power m equals log of 2 by log of 4. We have to simplify on left side. It means 2 square by 4 square whole power m equals this log of a by log of b can be written as log of a with the base b. So we will implement here, it's log of 2 with the base 4. So we can write this as 2 power 4 times 2m equals log of 2 with the base 4. Now we will take log on both sides, that is log of 2 by 4 power 2m equals log of 2 with the base 4. So log of a power b will be 2 power 2m log of 2 by 4, and this log of 2 with the base 4. Now we will divide both sides by log of 2 by 4, log of 2 by 4, so that we can left with the m on the single side. Let's cancel with this. We get 2m equals log of 2 with the base 4 over log of 2 by 4. Now here only one quantity is multiplying with m, which is 2. We'll divide both sides by 2. This 2 cancel with 2. We get m equals 1 by 2 log of 2 with the base 4 all over log of 2 by 4. We know the formula log of a log of b equals log of a with the base b. So we will put this on this term. So we get the value of m equals 1 by 2 times log of 2 with the base 4 by 2 by 4. So this is the final answer of our question. We get the value of m. Our question is that we have to find the value of m. We simplified it. We apply the log formulas here, and at the end we get the solution. That is the value of m. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.